If you want to walk through your day completely unprotected, vulnerable, and alone, it is actually very easy. First, just follow your body's natural instinct. Be lazy. When the alarm rings, tell yourself the bed is too warm. Choose the pillow over the Creator. The Prophet ﷺ said that whoever prays Fajr is under the protection of Allah. So if you want to lose that protection, just hit snooze. Reject the King's invitation. Next, look at your hands. What is the first thing you touch? Make sure it isn't water for wudu. Make sure it is your screen. Reach for your phone under the pillow like it's life support. Open Instagram immediately. Replace the remembrance of Allah with the remembrance of influencers. Feed your eyes, but starve your soul. In this trance, whatever you do, do not read your Morning Adhkar. Do not recite al-Kursi. You don't need a fortress, right? You are strong enough to fight off Shaitan, the evil eye, and anxiety all by yourself. Who needs divine armor when you have memes? Does that sound smart to you? You lock your front door to protect your furniture, but you leave your soul wide open. To walk out into the dunya without Fajr and without Adhkar is like walking into a war zone, naked. The Prophet ﷺ said the knots of Shaitan are untied by prayer. By scrolling instead of praying, you are starting the day choked by your own laziness. Don't face today alone. Put the phone down. Get your protection back.